Hello and good morning to all my dear students. I hope you're all fine and safe in this hard and difficult situation. This is my first video after the summer vacation, and in the summer vacation, I sent you some worksheets that were supposed to be done during your holidays and during your vacation. And I hope you have all done it, and some of the students have already sent it to me on my WhatsApp number. And today we are going to discuss some of the worksheets out of those, right? I have sent you the worksheets regarding articles, regarding adjectives, and many other. So we are going to discuss articles today, right? So let's start. Okay. Yeah, the first one is here. So fill in the blanks with correct articles. The first one is dash Koshi River originates in dash Himalayas and flows to dash Indian Ocean. So in each blank it is going to be the, because these are particular names, and before the name of mountains, before the name of famous river, and before the name of ocean, we use the. Next, Mohan was dash first. So audials, before audials we use the. So the first to arrive, and Sheila was the last for every position, like first, second, third, fourth, fifth, we use the. Okay. The next one is dash boy who is wearing. See, wherever we refer any particular thing, any particular noun with who, which, okay, we use the, because that becomes special. We are talking about that particular noun. So the boy who is wearing dash cap. So we're talking about a particular boy in a group of boys who is wearing a cap is dash, again superlative degrees here, is the best football player in, we're talking about a particular boy in a particular team, so in the school team. Next is dash moon. So wherever there is, when we talk about celestial bodies, if there is only one celestial body like moon and sun, earth, so for these all celestial bodies we use the. Whereas where there are more than one celestial bodies like star, we use a, right? When we're talking about a particular one. So the moon is dash satellite of dash earth. So the moon is a satellite of the earth. Again, there are more satellites, so we can only refer to it as a satellite. Moon is also a satellite, right, of the earth. While dash sun, so again it is only one, so the sun is dash star, a star, because there are other stars as well, but sun is only one, and it is called the brightest star, right? So I have read, again, before these names, Mahabharat, Bible, and Quran, the epics, we use the. Before famous buildings like the Taj Mahal, the White House is dash famous building, is a famous building in the USA. Before the USA and UK we use the, United. Okay. Next one is dash shirt. Again, we are talking about a particular shirt, as I've already mentioned before. Who or before which we use, I mean not before, these are the words which are used to refer to the noun, and they become particular automatically. So the shirt which I wore yesterday was given to me by my sister. Next one is I will go shopping tomorrow. I will buy. What are you going to buy? Or what am I going to buy? A cap, a nice dress, and a pair of shoes. The next one is I read dash article. So I read just an article. I mean there can be more articles. So I just read a particular article, not a particular, a single article about dash Begnas Lake. I mean the Begnas Lake in dash Kathmandu. See, if I read only one word Kathmandu, it is a city, and no article is supposed to be here. But if I read it completely, Kathmandu Post newspaper. So before the name of newspapers, we use the. So I read an article about the Begnas Lake in the Kathmandu Post newspaper this morning. The next one is I met dash European tourists near dash Pashupati temple. So I met, see, this word starts with a vowel sound or not? No. The sound here is year, European. Okay, so don't go through the E letter, just go through the vowel sound, that is year. Okay, the word starts with year, so it is not a vowel sound. I met a European tourist near the Pashupati temple, which is again superlative degree ESG, which is the holiest Hindu shrine in Nepal. Shrine means a particular cave which is blessed. Okay, I met, this is done. Meena is dash only student. So Meena is the only student who can draw what? The Jupiter properly. Next is, the next time you make a noise here, I will be the first person to throw you out of the room, because noise is being made in a particular room. Okay, I hope it is clear to you all, and let's proceed with the next slide. Okay, the picture is a little blur, but I'll speak out each and every word so that it is easily comprehensible and easily audible to you all. Okay, so circle the correct article in each sentence. John wanted to read dash comic book. John wanted to read a comic book. The class went on a field trip. He likes to read dash short stories. He likes to read the short stories. Lisa put an orange on her yogurt. My mom likes making the cake from scratch. The dog got a stick. I saw an otter at the zoo. I quickly ate the cookies. Dash oval, an oval, vowel sound is here, is shaped like dash egg, so an egg. Okay, the next one is write the correct article before each noun. Igloo, e sound is here, so an. Next is banana, so a banana. A tree, an inch, inch. The last one is eagle, so an eagle. A bench, kitten, a kitten. A soccer ball, an owl. And the last one is tiger, so a tiger. Okay, so I hope it is all clear to you now, and those who haven't sent me the homework are instructed to send the homework to me straight away on my WhatsApp number, so that I can be assured that you're not sitting idle and you are working on your toes, and you are working on the homework that has been that was sent to you and was supposed to be done in your holidays homework. So thank you very much for watching the video, and just send me the homework as soon as possible.